Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from Daretobecreative, and I am here with the Monday month collab that we're doing for the month of August 2020. We are doing a month's collab worth of making ATCs or ATC coins, and they're artist trading cards, and we are doing it's called ATC Cards and Coins 2020. And the collab is hosted by Poetspice, so check out her channel as well as all the other collaborators that are in the link box below. Wonderful creators. You will be inspired, encouraged, motivated to try something new. So please like and subscribe to their channels. It's not a requirement of this collab to do any giveaways, but some of us are on our channel. I will be doing one. Mine is going to be basically, I will be giving you items to make the same thing I made, but you can make it in your taste and your style. So whatever I have, I'm trying to get duplicates for that so that you can make your own style. So as you can see, there's a lot of junk on my table right now. I'm going to show you what I used, and then I come back and show you my product so I can put this junk out of my way. Use some of these clear gemstones from Tuesday morning, some spackling, some folk art paint, and gold and silver metallic, as well as black. Then some of the silver and gold thread, metallic thread. I used gesso and gel medium. I used the Vicky Bouton iridescent and gold glaze. I used some of the silver sequence ribbon thing. Some gold micro beads. These gold flowers that I got, oh gosh, years ago from Michael's. I used a key, these from Michael's as well, from the old dollar bin. Some embossing powder, some 86,000. This, I used a metallic one, but I got these from Ollie's back in the day. I used a branch off of the sticker set and a heart and a branch. I used these, a studio calico, a word out of here, and some other ones. I forgot which branch, but I have tons of these full of word veneer, so I'll take them out of the package, so I'm not sure exactly which ones. Some Versamark. I didn't use these styles, but I was just trying to remember the name of them, which was the La Petite. I used some black ones out of here. Old Martha Stewart metallic butterflies. My sequins fell loose. My bag burst and they fell apart. Okay, but the sequins out of here, some black ones, and I ended up just using the black ones. Straws, dimensional, corrugated. The stencils I use for this. For the two that I'm going to show you, I have a third one that is not dry, and I'm not going to have time to wait for that one to dry. But the two that I'm going to show you, I use, let's see which backgrounds I use that one, and I use that one. This one is with the gold glaze, and this one's with the iridescent. And then I use this old Sizzix thing that came from, I got it from Tuesday morning. So that's all my ingredients, a whole bunch of stuff. I think that's pretty much everything I use besides 110 pound paper, cut it 3 times, and then I added the decorative paper on top. So they're really thick and sturdy. And then I'm going to put all this junk away, and then I'll just come back and show you 2 of the ATCs that I made. And I did this with my girls. We did it, all the girls in that area. Hey Lisa, I'm going to have her link down below too. You know, she's not in the collab, but she participates in them. And the other ladies, well, one of them has a channel, she's not really posting right now, Susan and Donna and Monique. Talented women. I mean, we just had a ball. We Zoom and we scrap and we do challenges on the weekend, and so it was kind of fun for them to do as well, and we had a ball. I know I did. We challenged each other. But anyway, I'm going to show you what I made, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I also forgot to show you, so we used some acetate, and I used this Almanac collection, actually by Prima. I think I was gifted this by Joyce, if I'm not mistaken, Life After 60, in one of her racks that I won from her. I mean, not racks, a contest or something on her channel that I won. Or maybe it's from ATC Swap, I can't remember, but I remember Joyce gave me this paper pad. Anyway, I cut this piece of paper down to use as my decorative on top of 3 glued together 110-pound pieces of paper, so it made it sturdy, so it's 4 layers. And what inspired us to make these was my friends and I, we watched the Prima marketing video the week before, and they did the lavender ATCs. I'll try to put the link down below, but in case I forget, it's the lavender ATCs by Prima. So it's only a week ago. Maybe, I don't know what time to be this video be up, but anyway, so we were just looking at the layers and all the different techniques, so we were challenging ourselves to do at least 5 different things on our ATC cards, and some of the ladies hadn't ever did layers, and some hadn't done ATCs, some had, but anyway, so we were doing it live, so we had to make at least 2, which worked out perfectly for this collab as well. And so anyway, I will show you what I made and what we did, and check out Lisa's channel from Miss Little Scrappy, because I know she's going to be posting her video, and so you can kind of see hers on it, and she did an awesome job as well. So the lavender one, she did 4 of them. She stayed within one color theme, so that's basically what I did here. I did monochrome. I just stayed within the gold theme. So what I did was, I told you how I laid the paper, then I took the acetate, I used my stencil, I used the gold glaze on the stencil, I air dried it, not air dried it, but I blow dried it with my heat embossing tool. Got to be careful with that, and acetate. It can be done, but yeah, I was a little impatient, so I kind of warped mine a little bit on my other one, but it worked. I glued it down with my E6000. I added this lace right here, which I didn't pull out. I forgot to pull it out, which is from the Dollar Tree, because I might have used it all up. But I painted it gold, so I just added across the top there some heart-shaped lace. If you're familiar with that, it feels like rubber lace stickers they used to have at the Dollar Tree. And I painted it gold. I put the metal Sizzix frame up on some foam. I took the wood, gessoed it, and then painted it gold. And I said Martha Steel Butterfly. Here's the gold thread. Here's the key from Michaels. Here's a puffy heart. And then back over here, which is a leaf right there. Gold leaf from the thickers. Those 2 from the thickers. Then you have some corrugated from a box. Somebody sent me in a package, and I took it and I gessoed it. Then I painted it gold. Then I stamped in my birthmark and I heat embossed it. Then I added these recollection flowers. I took this brad that I'm using as a center stamen, and I gessoed that one. Then I heat embossed it gold. I added the micro beads right here, and yeah, so I think that's pretty much everything as far as techniques and stuff. So we had to do at least 5 different things, and I don't know if you can see my lighting. The lighting kind of sucks in here, so I do apologize for that, but I love it. And I will have my pictures up on Daretobecreative 1 Instagram, so you can see a better detail, because this lighting is not to be desired. It's to be desired, but anyway, I love it. I think it came out beautiful. I really love it. And then I love this one too, so like I said, my red one, I'm working on that one. But this is a black and silver one. So what I did with this one, again, the 3 layers of the white, I gotta label them, and then I added a black cardstock right here, and then on my acetate I used the other stencil, and I used the iridescent, which kind of looks like silver. This is the iridescent glaze, but it looks just like silver to me. The round rose right here is the straw. I just cut that in different pieces, added that silver piece, added some silver thread. I took that Martha Stewart brushed nickel colored butterfly. I gessoed it and I painted it silver. Then I rubbed it with some black. This, oh, I forgot to show this. This is from the Dollar Tree as well. It is one of those like, I call them the inchy stickers, which is not necessarily made for that. Hold on one second. Yeah, I took that one out of there. That was from the Dollar Tree. And I put that right there, and then under there is the sequence, the silver sequence ribbon thing. Here's the tab. It says Fearless, so the name of this is Fearless. This one, I forgot to say, is called the Midas Touch because it's all gold, and this one's called Fearless. So here's the black flowers, and then I took another piece of wood piece right here, this ampersand, and I of course painted it with gesso and black paint. Here are some of the clear beads, and then 3 black sequins. The other one's under there. Oh yeah, and then this is also Dollar Tree lace right here. This goes under the flowers all down the side right here, and I painted that black as well. Yeah, so I think that's everything that's on this one that I did. And I absolutely love that one as well. I think gorgeous. I love how both of them turned out. So these are my metallic ones. And then I want you to check out the other ladies as well. So I just had fun making these. And again, scrapbooking with your friends is the bomb. Especially because they challenge you and they're talented and they're so creative. They help you think outside the box. But also just making ATCs are really fun. You know, really fun to do. And I love these. So hopefully you've been inspired. Check out the other ladies. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless.